Hey, this is June from Turning Point Life Investment, and this is your stock market analysis for July 14th, 2012. All right, so looking at the market here with SPY, we finally got that bounce that we were looking for on our forum. I usually issue a daily stock market report, and we've been saying that the market has pulled back quite a bit in some kind of a small channel right there, and it came back to retest this gap area. This is a huge gap, so usually gaps make for great support and resistance, and notice how it fell right back to this gap and produced a logical bounce on Friday, and we made a very nice bounce back up, closing near back this 136 area, which surprisingly is another gap resistance. So I think as long as the market can get back above this gap area, there's a good chance we can probably retest this previous high and maybe even a little bit higher. Okay, so we still want to take it one day at a time. Overall, if you just look at this trend of the market, it's been very choppy, and so trading has been a little bit uh, tough in that sense because it's very choppy and there's really no clear direction just yet. And so I think it's best to still continue to trade on the lighter side. You definitely don't want to be too aggressive in this choppy environment. Overall, short-term wise, we are still seeing a series of higher highs and higher lows. So as long as that continues, we're still going to be bullish on this market for the time being. Obviously, until things change, then we're going to switch our tune. But for now, short-term trend still looks to be pretty decent to the upside. As far as trading, I'm going to give you guys a stock that we've been looking at on our website. RNF, it's a relatively new issue, but what I'm looking at here is a possible cup and handle formation. And if you're not familiar with that, it's basically a bullish development where you have a base right underneath this previous high. So it's looking really good in terms of this pattern right here. And all we need to wait for to go long is for that breakout above here. Okay, so that's something that we're looking at and possibly issue as a trade alert on our website. And so if this is something that you're interested in, I definitely recommend you guys coming to check out our website at www.tplinvestment.com. Ask for a 30-day free trial and you can get full access to our website right there.